What's happening, people? Coming at you again, giving a shout out to every man and woman out there who's striving for answers, for the right answers. I just came to drop a quick notice on you. Very informative, sharing information to help people. I have in my possession, in my law library, for educational purposes only, 5 versions of the Do Not Detain list. Actually, 4 versions. 3 passport versions: state citizen passport, American national passport, and the super injunction passport. Will put you on the do not detain list in other countries and even the whole country where we living at now. Um, those big time law gurus out there are giving them things away for maximum donation. Amount of donation, I'm giving them away for a fraction of that. I have two other do not detain. They're actually printable at the highest package and the highest process out right now. Updated, very effective, well established. And again, a lot of these big time gurus, these are the very same ones that they're asking for astronomical donations worth right now. Call me up before you call them up, and you get it from the same exact thing from me for a fraction of the cost, for the fraction of the donation. I won't even say cost, for the fraction of the donation, for a fraction of that, of a donation. And so yeah, one of the other two, the do not detains, is the common law do not detain. That's superior over all of them. That's principle. You come alive on the living side. On the private side, that's establishing, correcting your status on the private side, which is principle, and supersedes all that commercial crap, secure party creditor, and all these hoops and hurdles y'all been jumping through and over, and all these law gurus and stuff been online, reading other guys' documents and reading law books, making themselves to seem so bigger than what they are, and they just got a hold of another man's process or a few guys' processes and mixed them together and said, presto changeo, here I go. And I get this from me because it works too. Okay, however it is, not throwing no stones. As long as they get results. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Let me get that too. So yeah, I got that common law do not detain, which puts your family members, your children, up under you also on the do not detain. Unlike the passports is individual. Target you separately on the do not detain. But when you do the common law do not detain, you can put up to 4 to 5 people, sons and daughters, up under that inside that estate, and that essentially put them on the do not detain list as well. So one stone and take care of a whole lot of birds. All right. And also, we got the other version of the do not detain, which is in that UCC world, which you folks be calling me about, the secure party creditor. Puts you in the private banking process. Okay, that do not detain list. That do not detain process puts you on the do not detain list, but it makes you a private banker and it puts you in a position of a discharge, to be able to discharge debt, mortgages, car notes, so forth, different types of bills. All right, court costs, um, property taxes, child support, debt collections. Yeah, you discharge all that stuff with that secure party do not detain I have. And that one is a big one, right there. $2,500 is going for a donation that one law guru is getting it off for. I ain't saying no names. So yeah, I'm a big fan of the common law do not detain. All right, the one hitter quitter. All right, that's principle. You establish your status correction on the private side, and it covers the private and public. All right, and it in essence, put your children your sons and daughters on the do not detain too. So it's well worth it for a fraction of the donation for that price is going for, or for that amount. I'm sorry, for that amount it's going for right now of a donation for those particular law gurus out there that's getting that off, that's eating off the people. I don't need your money for real, but I can get something for my time. So that's why I turn around and secure these packages, these law processors packages from these big law gurus, all right, for maximum amount or whatever they're asking amount for the donation for all y'all that can't afford it, and I turn around and give it to y'all for a fraction. So before you hit them up and call them up, call me, because 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10 I already got it. So they call me the one-stop shop. Again, the Robin Hood. I ain't trying to hurt the hood. I ain't trying to hurt nobody, but give me something for my time and energy. All right. And we setting up for the guys who want this and want to get in a life-changing position to be a blessing and to help to their family members to stay out of jail, to stop being harassed, and to not be in the hole of the debt collections for like 10 to 20 years for these student loans and these cases and these child supports and these traffic tickets and so forth, collection agencies. All right. Hit me up, and with that, I'll let y'all get back to what y'all doing. Hustling and bustling, get your little monies together, get your little pennies together to pay these big time law gurus the big mega donations that they're asking for. And you can come and hit me up for the same exact thing, okay? For the same exact law process for a fraction of that amount. And that's what I'll do. I got my own law library. And again, I ain't throwing no rocks at those guys. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I got it for you. I done did what I need to do to obtain it for you. And turn around and give it to you for a fraction of that. So before you hit them up, hit me up first and see if I got it, and you can get it for a fraction of that. My number 216-230-8005. And peace to the people. All right. God bless. And hope to hear from you soon. I ain't gonna be doing this for so long. I'm gonna set it down in a minute. This is basically call it your cheat sheet, saving you 3 to 5 years of bumping your head, burning up your money, trying to figure out what work and what don't work. I got maximum, supreme packages. All right. I'm a big fan of do it right the first time around, and you don't gotta go back and forth. And I'm not gonna give you bits and pieces of it like most of these law gurus do. I'm gonna give you the best thing the first time around, the most maximum, the most superior processes that's out there. I got it for a fraction of the cost the first time around. All right. So be a blessing to yourself and your family, and hit me up for that do not detain. And it's B Bryant Lion, the Lion, checking in. And until we meet again, my number 216-230-8005. Peace to the people and to the families. In Jesus' name. 1.